Hello, my beauties. So today we have Ice Cream Beauty, which is new to me and definitely new to this channel. Thinking about calling this channel Let's Unbox This because I hear a lot of let's do this and let's, blah, blah, blah. So that's what I'm thinking. You guys let me know in the comments and please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of Let's Unbox This. And what I would like to start doing is every video, whenever I get a new box, I'll be like, let's unbox this. Sound good? Okay. So, like I said, Ice Cream Beauty, it's new to me and I want to try some new stuff. And yay, I got a card. That's great. I love cards. Ipsy and Boxy seems to have stopped doing that. Both of them, which I got my Boxy, um, I've got my other Boxy box back there. I need to unbox it, but I noticed in the last couple I haven't got a box. It just keeps saying follow on Instagram for some kind of something that they're doing. So okay. Again, Ice Cream Beauty. Let me show you the little box that it came in. And it is slam full. So let's see what we got. What is that? That's adorable. Okay. CandyChrome Illusion. Nice. This is going to be, uh, oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, okay. It just went everywhere. Just my luck. Why would they? Why? Why would you not warn me? Oh my gosh. It's everywhere. But it's really pretty. Did you see that? Wow. It is all over. Oh my gosh, it went everywhere. Why would they not like warn you? And I got two of these. I'm scared to open the other one. I'm not going to open the other one. Okay, so that's the color. And you can see what color it's going to be on the eyes, which is gorgeous. Jeez, it's, oh my gosh, it's everywhere. I'm really impressed with that, but I'm not. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this very much reminds me of Pat McGrath colors. Not saying it's, that's just what it reminds me of. Really, really, I'm sure that that's gorgeous. I'm not opening that without like having, because I'm telling you, it's all over my computer. It's all over my keyboard. It's all over in front of me. Okay, so I'm not big on wearing colors like this, but if you are, um, okay, so let's read. Okay, it's CandyChrome Loose Multichrome Pigments by Chantico Beauty. Those are 24 bucks. Unless both of them together are 24. These multichrome pigments shift between 3 to 4 colors depending on how the light hits them. The eyeshadow palette this month was chosen to complement the bright and pigmented multichromes. Adding the multichrome on top of light shades will create a different color effect than adding it on top of dark shades. Use a light hand and blend out for a more subtle effect. Okay. So let's go ahead and jump into the palette since it is supposed to match the palette. Okay. So, ooh, Mirabella, that's called Undressed. Let's unbox this. If I can get it open. There we go. Okay. Oh, it says I love you. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, a sucker for packaging. This is nice. Very, very nice. Ooh. Oh, wow. Those are gorgeous colors. Those are my kind of colors. I love, to go to work every day. I like just, nude colors, browns, light browns, pinks, a little bit dark on the outside. Multichromes this will be my first time using multichromes. I've been wanting to for a long time, but the Pat McGrath stuff's just been a bit out of my reach. So I'm super excited about trying it. And my next video, I will wear one of those multichromes, maybe one on one eye, one on the other, and see if they really do complement the Mirabella Unleashed. I love that palette. That's a gorgeous palette. And it is called I Love You. Create an array of stunning looks, 8 long wearing shades, uh, shimmer and mattes, and the luminous highlighter for 360-degree total face use in sculpting and illuminating the face, cheeks, and eyes. Oh, okay. So it's a whole face thing. All right. Okay. I'm hearing you. Well, it says an eye palette and a beautiful lineup of neutral, ultra pigmented pressed powders. Create an array of stunning looks with 8 long lasting shades featuring a balance of shimmer and mattes and the luminous highlighter for 360-degree total face use in sculpting and illuminating the face, cheeks, and eyes. Okay. All right. So next, we're going to jump to this. Okay. This looks just like is it Pat McGrath or is it Natasha Denona that has this exact packaging? That's I mean, it's exact. Wow. Okay, so let's read about this. Heart of Gold Gloss by Amuse Cosmetics. These glosses come in a few different shades and are meant to complement most looks. This is an affordable and adorable lip color option. Quick tip for getting gloss to dry brown more quickly is to add some setting powder before applying. Oh, I like that. I like wow, it opens exactly wow. It's just a little bit like I'm pretty sure it's Natasha Denona. I mean it's the wand is a lot bigger. I don't know. That's crazy to me. Here, let's try it on. I'm not really big on glosses, but if you're gonna wear a matte, about halfway through the day, you should. If you have a good matte, then you should add a little bit of gloss to it. Okay, so next we have Dragonlash. Oh, that's Queen. That's by Queen. I've gotten their stuff before. Okay. Where is it at? Okay, Dragonlash Mascara by Queen Studios. And I forgot that the Heart of Gold is $5. So that is a nice, affordable little gloss. That's good. Okay, so this is 18 semi-permanent high gloss black tubing mascara. Unlike conventional wax-based mascaras, tubing mascaras contain polymers that wrap around the lashes, creating tubes so they don't smudge or flake. Plus, they are easy to remove, making you less likely to experience lash fallout during removal. Hooray for healthy lashes. I'm going to test this because I am all about, like, right now, Hourglass is the only mascara for me. I've tried Too Faced. I think you guys have probably heard me go off about this before, but Too Faced, even my favorite, or Charlotte Tilbury, no, they all give me raccoon eyes. So I'm going to test that. I've heard of tubing mascara before, but I never really knew what it was. So I'm learning, and so are you. Okay, so next we have 3-piece brush set by IBY Beauty. It's a nice little brush. That looks like a foundation brush. So let's see. Contour brush, tightly packed bristles, and dome shape, perfect for easy blending and subtle contour. The multitasking brush, This brush has the ability to brush blush to the apples of your cheeks, highlight and blend with ease, and the fan brush, apply and diffuse highlight for a gorgeous strobe effect. And that is this one. I love these. Um, I love these brushes. I love brushes. Like, I just ordered some. If you guys have ever heard of Do Care, uh, that's who I've recently ordered from. And I'm waiting for those. I actually ordered that off of Macari, not from Do. Okay. So you're supposed to take these brushes, and like what I've always used them for is if I have a setting powder, like I'll put my brush down in it because I don't like a lot of powder. And I mean, it just feels kind of good. So yeah, I love these brushes. Look, wow, I just got like, I've been using Luminous, which I will do a video on because I just bought the Luminous. I bought that. I'm just looking for different foundations because I'm starting to get fine lines and wrinkles. Um, can you see my scar? Uh, I mean, I'm not worried about the scar, but I'm not seeing it too bad. Um, so yeah, like I'm kind of liking the Luminous. I like the look. Whenever I put it on, it didn't really look like I put on like, you know, you put on your foundation. I need just to do a video on it, but it surprised me. So we'll talk about the Luminous next. Okay, so let's go back to the ice cream. The ice cream, oh my gosh, how much was it? I should have wrote that down. I think for the very first box, oh, let me go look. Is it